So now we're riding the subway train to Terminal C as
You
a
are at Terminal
late
A.
October
Hold on to the
edition right
handrail.
now here in this video.
Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Yep.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal
Well, let's
A.
look at Terminal A
Agarre la
here.
barranda de apoyo. Su próxima
There's the
parada
elevators
es
over there. Yep. Yep, here we go. Yep, going pretty fast right now. We're heading up to the former surface parking station, which has been closed for a very long time. And this station is boarded up, but the other station's not. There's the other train. Okay. We're coming up to one of these turns here again. The music is really cool here. Okay, now we're approaching Terminal B now.
You are in Terminal B. Hold on to the
Whoa.
handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la barranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
The other train's also arriving too. Yep. So right now we're just waiting to close for right now. Oh.
Remain in your
Oh my
vehicle.
God.
We will begin moving again at any time. Please stay in your vehicle.
Permanezca en su vehículo. Nos comenzaremos
Yeah,
a
looks
mover
like
de
we're gonna be
nuevo en cualquier momento.
chilling here for a little bit
En su vehículo.
until we close up. But oh yeah, I also forgot to mention we're in train number 8. I'm not showing it right now because there's people in the front car. I don't want to put them on my video. I'm gonna go ahead and get up in the. I'm actually gonna sit here in the back.
Remain in your vehicle. We will begin moving
Ready to
again at
stop
any
right
time.
now.
Please stay in your vehicle.
We'll start it back up again once
Permanezca
we
en su
close up.
vehículo.